got to go now before we get into an hour of the Ultron anthem. Keep looking at 11 a.m. I'll cover that. Before then, I'll get on to Dua Lipa and St. John Roses. Take you next. What about
Life insurance. We cover for your new tech. Direct line to Ollie. So I often struggled at school. Once, when we had a maths test, I looked around the room and everyone was just doing it. And I didn't. And I began to cry. But my teacher came over and said, it might look like one big problem, but it's just a handful of small ones. And you can deal with that. I hear her voice in my head for every